what I'm doing? Absolutely not. So have you ever fixed something and then like been ashamed of how you fixed it, but it still works, so you can't really be too mad about it? I think that's how I'm gonna feel about this. My exhaust hanger on this side broke on my Neon, so to get it home, I tied a rope around it on this side just so it wouldn't fall out of the hanger here. And this is how I'm patching the hanger on this side. Original hanger that's gonna go on the muffler, and then I'm gonna weld this bolt to the frame. There's gonna be like 3 different types of people that reply to this. There's gonna be the, I don't know what's going on here kind of person. There's gonna be the, well shit, it works kind of person. And there's gonna be a third person, it's like, you've brought dishonor upon your family and you should go commit Sudoku. So, anyway, I'm gonna drive this to work tomorrow, so it doesn't really matter. So it did have a bolt that went through here and then through here. And Greg, he's the guy that fabricated the rest of this exhaust system. He had patched it here. I guess just the vibrations of everything and just pulled it apart. So my thought is I'll raise this up. And I'll probably give it a little, you know, little weld here, and then I'll give it probably one across here. I'll probably have to, this didn't exactly land where I was thinking, oh, maybe, yeah, I'll just give it right in there, and then I'll call it good for the night just so I can go to work tomorrow, and then I'll deal with it when I don't take a nap at 4 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. See what I'm doing here. That feels pretty solid. I guess the hot metal glue gun worked this time. Do I know what I'm doing? Absolutely not. It's probably gonna get me to work tomorrow though. That's all I really care about. Yeah. It'll get me there and back. Ugh. Yeah, that's just what it kind of... So what up, nerds? Yeah, this, I filmed all of this 3 months ago, and it was the last time I had to work on the white car. I mean, I've done piddly stuff here and there, but that was the last time I had to work on the white car, and it's been fine. You want to see what it looks like? I'm going to show you anyway. This is what it looks like now. It's, you know, scaled up. It's rusty because I didn't coat anything. But, I mean, you know, it's fine. It's not, you know, that ain't going anywhere. I just got home from work. And, you know, it's been entirely fine. So I'd mentioned in passing about napping in the video, and thing was that I'd come home and taken a nap and then realized I needed to fix the car, so I went outside to work on it, and it was already dark because it was like 7 o'clock. And then I was like, oh no, I'm gonna fix it. You know, golly, the guy was looking at the ground as he drove past. That's cool. Anyway, yeah, I just cobbled it together just to get me there and back for a little while. And now I kind of want to leave it because it's funny. So it's gonna stay like that for a while. Sorry, Greg, if you're even watching. But yeah, I mean, you know, whatever. An hour a day will make the jack stands go away, but you gotta be kind to yourself. Sometimes you just need a nap. Let yourselves nap.